see that, people? Yeah, man.
People, welcome back to another episode. I don't know if it's Jamaica Lifestyle Black Stevie. We're back again, and today we're doing something simple. Cause guess what? We don't do a bad menu food in, but guess what? Going rain come down, so we have to just do it quicker now. So we're gonna deal with some mackerel and rice. I wanna go see how Jamaica Black Lifestyle TV take it down. So guess what? Going fire light up. Blacks are gonna start doing thing, you know. So we're gonna take it down, you know. So just stay tuned and watch till the end and see how Blacks deal with the mackerel. You don't know.
Yeah, man. So people, you see we there. We did for run a bad pot, but rain mash up the thing, so we are gonna do something simple. We are just mash up some mackerel and rice, quick and fast. You see what I say? But them call it
fast.
Get up boom. You see me? And some rice. So people, we are sure how we deal with it now. Free style and Jamaica. Blacks Lifestyle TV. You see me?
You know the team Jamaica Blacks Lifestyle.
Go. Yes, my people, so we are wash the rice now, you see it? As we say, simple look of cooking today, cause I see the rain mash up the thing. You see my people? Yeah, man. Now them there roll out back the famous bucket them and touch upon the river, you see me? Cause we are trying to cover some video for the semester, yeah. Cause we're way out of port.
This way light skin are going with. Light skin. The blacks there wash the rice and people, you know it go already, you know.
Big cup of wash, you know. Bring him on upon the coal fire. Yeah. People remember say I will look a friend place to come and say yo, you cover some video for the week. You see what I say, so you have to call it, say we have board. We want to cover about 3 to 4 video and you know match up for match up, you understand? So done with the thing, you understand? Yeah. Put some water on it, you know. So we are put the seasoning together now, you know, people, because you know that way. We love our seasoning, people, you see me? We don't ramp with them things there. So we say it's a quick little pot, so you know, no bag of excitement, you see it? Yeah, man, my people.
You know, say famous style they already, you know, because blacks have one famous way you cut the season them.
Yeah, man. People, man, say the sharpest knife this me using a long way. I'm not like. You know, you already the knife here, you know, my people. You know? Cut yourself, it's sharp. Yeah, man, but people with us are do this quick and fast, man. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. No joke about it. As I said, quick and fast, the thing are going up. See me? quick and fast. Yeah, man.
The man, the famous cut people.
So that's the knife of fire. Long time I don't find a knife of fire. So. Yeah, man, my people, we have about 3 videos from this coming up for the week. I will go on a famous video, but it kind of, the rain kind of mash it up, but I watch no face. See me? You hot it is. You see what I say, people?
Some of them big and not hot, you know.
People themselves, if you test it, I make them know, you see me? Yeah, man. Don't know how we do it on the channel already, you know, people. You see me? Cutting and we going, people. Yeah, man. So people, we're out there tomorrow. Out there. Don't know, people, we can cut it anywhere we want to cut it, but yeah. Don't know how we deal with season already. We cut them anywhere we want to cut them. Yeah, man, we up, man. You good? Yeah, man. Alright.
Remember, you know, people, our friend place today, I whip up something quick, you know. So I don't know the little knives and something kind of yard with they do. Blacks are going doing thing, yeah.
Re-clean up at the station now, you know, people, you see me? So I think I put no garlic in there, but at least still, you see me? But I clean up on things. So people tomorrow with up on the rave on people. You see me? So we have a dish coming at you. When you eat, people when you see that, watch you go on. We have a bad dish. I eat with it for do today, but we are watching rain and thing, you know, get for surface. But promise you it tomorrow. Remember me tell the people. After this year I'm gonna make you go crazy. And you know people don't know how we creative done. Alright. Yeah, man, people. You see how the rice nice, look nice, people. Yeah, man. Something, huh? Don't know the thing, people. We don't play enough. Yeah. Make it steam down, look more. You see it, people. Get the thing boom ready, you know. So, people, stay tuned. Remember, you know, share, comment, like, and subscribe. You understand, people? See the way out in the rain. Too long, you know, but in the I go and do the thing. You see me? As we tell you now, be a bad video coming out for this week, for this semester. Here, people. Remember that. Yeah, man, people. 10 bomb time, you know, that's it. Yeah, man. Up on fire, no joke about that, people, you see me? So rice done cook already, my people, and thing. So I don't know, 10 boom time now, aka Team Mackrel. You see me, my people? Yeah.
You know it's a night catch we in, but you know we're done already, you know.
Yeah, man. Oil time now, you know, people. Yeah, man. Oil time. Don't know where go. So we are make the oil hot a bit, people, because when the season drop in the pot, them start steam up immediately. You see me, start fry up immediately. So we have to give it some time, yeah, and make the oil hot, yeah. Yes, man. See that, people? How much thing in this? Sweet pepper. See them in heavy, don't cut up that one yet. Good thing in the connection on it, is it? Yeah, man. So we have a sweet pepper, we have a carrot, we have a pepper, we have a scallion, we have a garlic, a tomato. But you say carrot already? Mm-hmm. Yeah, honey and everything in here, people. Mm-hmm. Don't know how we did our thing already. Yeah, man. So, now we're not playing our thing already. Oil hot. Season ready. Yeah. Once you see seasoning them now, people. People, see that now. The seasoning I want to fry up, you know. See that now, people. Yeah. Seasoning get soft up, you know. And you run through it. Black down pot again, you know. And people, so as you see it now, take off, you have to be careful of this, you know, okay? If you don't get it right, it will cut your tree, you know, so, you know, some hard.
Chunky. Mackrel.
Yeah, isn't it? Catch up now, look now. Yes, man. See it now, people. Mackrel that in a pot, you know. Yeah. Bust off all purpose now, my people, you know. Put some of it in the pot, you know. Use all purpose or you can use fish season.
So it'll be any one of them choice.
Anything you want to use and use, you know. See that? Now we're going to add some tomato sauce in it, people. The tomato sauce. Yeah, man. Stir him up again, people. Add some canned beans to it now, people, you see me? The money carry a small amount, you see me? So I'm going to add it to it, yeah? Add some water in it now to build up gravy now, people. You see me? That amount of water, good. Man, look how that look good, my people. And then a bit of salt. Shut down, gun. Yeah, man, you see that, people? Yeah, man. That look like I eat that now. Yes, man. Eat that now. Yes, I guess we are the people, so eat some food, sir.
Long time.
Alright, then look. Done. Sharing time, you know? Share some food, you know? Good for your Casper. Share food.
Take it from a can.
Yeah. They're easy, you know, we don't want to make you say good still, but good still. Yeah, man. See that? See that now, people? Mackrel time. Last time I see something, boom, look some people. See that, man? Thing boom, fire.